Okay, so guys, आपको first this is for Newtonian mechanics. I hope screen is visible to everyone, right?
Yes,
Yes.
it is.
Yeah. So it is about TechFest 2021 Newtonian mechanics. So the basic instructions are here. Student can participate in group of maximum 3. They have to select one problem statement and have to prepare a e-poster or a PPT about the same problem statement. These are the key points of our event. They have to upload the e-presentation on Drive and share the link in the registration form. While they are registering, that time only they have to share the e-poster or PPT link that will be shared on Drive. Shortlisted student, those who have submitted on 29, that shortlisted student, their name will be given on Telegram group at 30 July, 2 p.m. And these shortlisted students have to present the same topic on 31st in Google Meet, on Google Meet in front of judges. 10 minutes will be given to them. Now here are the FAQs. Mostly asked questions are there. So first one is how to register for groups. So those who are participating in groups, they have to register in the same form. एक ही form में तीनों student, दो student, उनका नाम आएगा and they have to submit their link. Next. Problem statement should be based on, main question. Problem statement should be based on our current mechanics syllabus. Current mechanics syllabus. They may take any principle like if you say load applied on trusses, tension in the cable, जो भी हमारे syllabus से related है. That problem statement. Next.
Ikra, hello.
Yeah.
I think स्टूडेंट्स ने पूछा है मैम से कि सिलेबस में का ही होने चाहिए क्या, तो मैम ने बोला कि तुम सिलेबस के बाहर से भी ले सकते हो.
एक्चुअली कल मैम से मीट हुई थी तो मैम ने कहा था कि सिलेबस के पास का जितना रहेगा दैट्स विल बी बेटर.
नहीं, एक्चुअली द की पॉइंट इसकी एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड होना चाहिए, बट इट शुडंट बी लाइक टू किडिश, लाइक हमारे लेवल का एक ऑलमोस्ट स्टैंडर्ड ऐसा होना चाहिए. तो अगर आपको लाइक अब जैसे डी ग्रुप है तो उनका डायनामिक इक्विलिब्रियम नहीं हुआ है, तो इट डजंट मीन कि वो उधर से नहीं ले सकते, वो ले सकते, बट इट शुड बी अ स्टैंडर्ड
सिलेबस. मतलब इंजीनियरिंग सिलेबस एग्जैक्टली. अभी पहले 2 लेसन्स ने इंजीनियरिंग सिलेबस, दैट आई मीन. Okay, so we will move to next point, content of the solution. So whichever your problem statement is, an FBD is must in your problem. It is the key step. Then FBD, the other required steps, what you have used to solve, that will be used. And when applied, you have to also add a small example of the same principle. Second, which last slide? Hello? Yeah, so content of the solution I was talking about. Whatever problem statement you take, FBD is must in that problem statement. It is the key step of your solution. So आपको वहाँ FBD निकालना जरूरी ही है. Other than FBD, बाकी के step आप जो भी use कर रहे हो, you are going to write that in your poster or PPT, whatever. The principle applied and any small example where that same principle is used. Next. So what should be the length of presentation? The length of presentation should be approx 4 to 5 slides. Plus minus is okay. If in 2 slides also you are able to explain properly, no issues. But don't extend more than 7 or 8 slides. Keep it a bit average only. Next, please. So which topic needs to be explained after getting shortlisted? That is on 31st in front of judges. There also you have to explain the same topic which you chose before. Matlab the topic on which you prepared the e-poster or PPT and submitted on 29, that only topic you have to explain on 31st also if you're shortlisted. Next. Use references. Students are allowed to take any references. You may refer to research papers, YouTube videos, or any other source, whichever you find easy. There there's no issue. आप चाहे तो उनका ही एक प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट लेके एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो, बट इट शुड बी इन योर ओन अंडरस्टैंडिंग शुड बी देयर. एंड दैट रेफरेंसेस जहाँ भी आप प्रेफर करो, वो रिसर्च पेपर का नाम, यूट्यूब वीडियो लिंक, वॉट एवर इज दैट शुड बी इंक्लूडेड इन योर पोस्टर और पीपीटी. नेक्स्ट. Yeah. So will there be cross questioning in round 2? Yes. In round 2, मतलब the final round after getting shortlisted on 31st, there will be cross questioning. आपका वो जो live, आप जब भी Google Meet पे आओगे, judges will cross question you regarding that concept. Maybe regarding that your problem statement, उस concept से related कोई concept, so you should be prepared for that. Yeah, next please. So this is an example of a poster. It's a template type. You have to make poster of this kind. If you see in this last part, conclusion के नीचे, they have added references. You also have to add reference like that there. Include images. This is a basic template. Exactly ऐसा नहीं भी तो आपका poster ऐसा दिखना चाहिए. A bit like that. Next. If someone is still confused with the topic, let me explain with a small example. Here we are taking example of steering wheel. Couple acting on a steering wheel. यहाँ couple force steering wheel पे लग रहा है and the principle of momentum is applied here. So this is a very basic topic. आपको ऐसा अच्छे level का topic लेना है. But here you can explain कि this is the steering wheel, इसका diameter इतना है, इतना force लग रहा है, इतना moment उस पर act हो रहा है, principle of momentum इसके अलावा इधर use हो रहा है. Like that you have to explain the topic. But the topic should be of engineering level. Next. Yeah, so these are the perks of the event. First key, every student will receive the participation certificate. Winners will be awarded with cash prize and certificate, and those who are participating in a group will get different certificate, but the same cash prize will be distributed among them. जिन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया वो कितना अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर, उनकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग कितनी अच्छी है, दैट विल बी द मेन क्राइटेरिया देयर. मतलब कोई स्टेप कितना डिटेल में उन्होंने लिखा है, उन्होंने खुद से वो जेन्युइनली पूरा अच्छे से किया है क्या, या उन्होंने जो छोटी छोटी माइनर डिटेल्स रहती है वो अच्छे से मेंशन की है क्या, उनकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग कितनी है, दैट विल बी द क्राइटेरिया.
और प्रेजेंटेशन भी कंसिडर होने वाला है. लाइक यू कैन जस्ट पुट अप अ मेसी वर्क, तो उसे अच्छे से लिख के अच्छे से प्रेजेंट करके, तो वो भी होने वाला है कंसिडर.